Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to delete Google Chrome history from your desktop. So I will show the step by step process how you can do it perfectly. So if you want to learn how to delete Google Chrome history, just enjoy this video till the end. Okay, let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome browser. After that, at the right top corner you will get the three dot option. You click that three dot option, then you will get the setting option from the menu bar. You have to click on the setting, then you will get the setting option here. After coming the all things, you have to search on. Okay, after searching by clear history, you will get the clear browsing data option. From here you have to click this option, then you will get the details page will come in this way. From here you will find two options, one is basic, another is advanced. So we will work on the advanced option. After enabling the advanced option, we will see the all browsing history is coming here. So if you want to delete all things or clear all things, you have to ensure that all checkbox is enabled. So here I'm enabling all checkbox. Okay, after that you have to set the time range. Here the last 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, last 4 weeks, all times. So if I select the all times, suppose we want to delete all history, so I am selecting all times, then you will see the all checkbox is enabled. After setting the time range and the checkbox, when you click on the clear data, then all data will be clear from your Google Chrome history. That's it. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.